In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send invoices on HoneyBook. We'll walk through the full process from starting a new invoice to sending it out and making sure it was delivered successfully. If you're new to HoneyBook, this is a straightforward workflow, and once you do it a couple of times, it becomes very quick. To begin, log into your HoneyBook account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top right corner and click the plus new button. This is where you can create different types of files and tools in HoneyBook. From the drop-down menu, select Invoice. HoneyBook will then give you a few ways to start. You can use a template, start from a recent file, or start from blank. Choose the option that works best for your situation. If you already have a format you like, a template can save time. If this invoice is similar to one you've sent before, starting from a recent file can help speed things up. Or, if you want full control, you can start from blank. Next, select your preferred invoice option. Once the invoice opens, go to the Bill to section and enter the client information carefully. Make sure everything is accurate here, since this is what identifies who the invoice is being sent to. After that, enter the project details. This helps provide context for the invoice and makes it easier for both you and your client to understand what the charges are related to. Then, add the products or services you want to invoice. For each item, enter the quantity, the rate, and the amount. Take your time with this part, so your totals are correct and the invoice is clear and professional. Now review the invoice number and the due date. These details are important for record keeping and payment expectations, so double-check that they match what you intend to send. If needed, customize the invoice. This could include adjusting the layout or adding any relevant business information already supported within the invoice setup. Once everything looks good, click Preview to review the invoice as your client will see it. This is a great chance to catch any errors, formatting issues, or missing details before sending. When you're ready, click Share in the top right corner. Review the recipient information carefully, then confirm the invoice details one more time. If everything is correct, send the invoice to the client. Finally, verify that the invoice has been sent successfully. Look for the confirmation in HoneyBook so you know the process is complete. Thanks for watching.